Hello friends, in today's video, I'll show you how to quickly find an open AT&T store near you using your phone or computer. Let's get started. First, open any browser like Chrome or Safari. In the address bar, type at.com/stores and press enter. This will open the official AT&T store locator page. You can allow location access or manually enter your zip code or city name. It will show you a list of nearby AT&T stores, including their names, distances, and current opening hours. Now, you can use the filter to narrow down by services. Tap on Filter, and you'll see options like Cash Payment Accepted, Company-Owned Stores, Hablamos Español, PayStation Inside, Small Business Solutions, and Device Recycling. Select your preferences. For example, tap on Find Locations Within. Choose 50 miles and check Cash Payments Accepted. Then tap Apply. You'll now see a list of stores that accept cash payments. Next, click on Store Info and Hours for any locations to view there. Complete address, contact number, store hours, and available services. You can also get directions for navigation help. Alternatively, you can search for an AT&T store near me directly on Google Maps. You'll also see an option to schedule an appointment. Tap on it to book time with a sales representative or make changes to an existing appointment. Click on Offers to view special deals available at that specific store. That's it. You now know how to find the nearest open AT&T store easily. If this video is helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the free tech guide for more new tips and tricks.